kũrũndana ũrĩa ũĩkaine ta wrestling wa gũthakĩrwo mũthanga-inĩ nĩo maregwatĩire mũigana mũnene wa mĩndira hĩndĩ ya mbĩtĩka cia gĩtaro kĩa Afrika irathĩro iria iratirihirwo ira gũkũ kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi. Harĩ macindano maya marĩa maragucĩrĩria athaki 50, Omari Musa wa bũrũri wa Tanzania arahotire Mũkenya Alphonse harĩ mũthako wa kilo 90, gũkũ Gloria Nionkuru wa Burundi nake akĩinũkia thahabu harĩ gĩkĩro gĩa kilo 60 akĩhota Emma Nekesa wa Kenya. Jane Kwamboka wa Kenya no ĩinũkirie ngoga ya thahabu harĩ kilo 70 thutha wa gũtoria Vihanshi Simran wa Mauritius.
Talking about the devolved governments, we've got 47 counties, and this is the only way to can reach that. Because we have got talents, raw talents who are just not even Nairobi. They are even in areas, very remote areas, but it's because they don't have anyone who can direct them. But so just beach wrestling is the way to go.
Definitely, the plan is for it to this is the first edition, so we hope that it will last as much as possible, as long as possible. It is part of our strategy. The International Federation has adopted some changes, some important development plans towards enhancing and structuring the African continent. You know, for the African continent, we only have one event per year, which is the Continental Championship.